How you doing, everyone? I currently picked up my new R32 Skyline. It's been a while since I've had one, about 2 years since I had the GTR. But this one's got a bit of work done to it. As you can see, it's all been stripped in the rear. Lining's out of the roof. Got a nice boost gauge here. Boost controller in there. Air fuel ratio gauge in there. It's running 22 PSI and it makes... Oh, I got the sheet here. There's a dyno sheet, 244.8, which I think is about 340-ish horsepower. It's engineered for absolutely everything done to it, so should have no problems with the police, but let's see how that goes. It's pretty clean inside, a nice bubble, no bubble on the dash, which is a little one there, which is alright. It's only got 74,000 genuine kilometers on it, so it's got pretty low Ks. I'll step out and show you what it's like from the outside. So there, gunmetal grey, my favourite colour in the R32s, obviously. It's just got the GTST wheels on it, but it's got 20mm spacers in here on the fronts and the rears. The fenders have been rolled, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but the fronts aren't too bad. And the rears are horrible. Again, not too bad if you want to go a real fat wheel with low offsets, but again, doesn't look the best. So 1992 model GTST Type M, so it has the Hikers in it, but the Hikers has been taken out, which I'm stoked on because I've done it in the last 2 cars I've had. And it's got just a, I think it's a 3.5-inch muffler, 3-inch exhaust all the way through, and it's got the valve in it to open and close, make it quieter or not as quiet, which is pretty cool. All pretty clean. Need to change this seat out. I'm probably gonna go back to the GTR seats, or I might put a set of Sparkos in it. And I'll just pop the hood for you now. So it's just running the standard RB20. It's the original motor that came with the car, which is pretty cool. It's got a 6-boost manifold. There's a GT3071 down in there. It's got 1000cc injectors. The actual intakes, that's doing nothing there, box. Sitting down in there. Nice black front mount intercooler, a bit stealthy, which I like. Same with the whole engine bay, it's all done a bit stealthy, it's all black, all been ceramic coated, not getting hot. Yeah, so it's not a bad looking car. I got another set of wheels I'll be putting on it. I got Origin DNA 02s, I think they are. It's got the GTR headlights on it as well, along with the bumper. Yeah, it does have a few scratches on it here and there. As you can see, it had the Type M kit on it, which is a side skirt here along here, extends that out, and there's also the rear pod on it. But it's missing that. You can see the lines from the dirt lines where they've had it. But in the future, I will buy that kit again and put that kit back on, get it back to original. I might put the Fuji Muro or the lip on that, the carbon one, which is pretty cool. Not sure I want to put the N1 boot lid though, so there's a bit too much going on back here. And other than that, not too many plans for it engine bay wise at the moment, just because it's already got some work done to it. Yeah, but other than that, the car's pretty clean. I've been having fun driving it for the last week. I've only driven it a couple of times, but yeah, I'm keen to make some more videos on it, show you guys around the car a bit more, and yeah, hopefully get back into making more videos, which I'm real stoked on doing. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.